Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. It's John the finance guy here with you. For this one we'll be going over uh, natural gas, ticker symbol UNG, Ugaz, any of the natural gas futures. We're currently in the January contract and this Friday we closed at about $2.40. I have this article pulled up here about mild winter seasons. It could push pressure natural gas ETFs. Um, as we can see here, there's a relatively calm winter, especially for the spring coming. Currently, UNG fell 2.1% Tuesday, while the NYMEX natural gas futures declined 2.3%, which equates to about 2.47 per million British thermal units. Um, it dropped 1.3% over the past year and dropped about 20% year to date. Currently in the winter season, that's quite interesting because most people expect it to break out around this time of season. Gas futures are already about 40% lower for the same period after record production levels and forecasts for milder than usual December weather dragged on the market, as the Wall Street Journal reports. Some are even bracing for prices to dip to multi-year lows as winters end, and people are raising bets that spring is too much, but we'll see. But currently, throughout the weather reports, we can see cold winter coming, a winter storm coming in this next week. If you're currently watching this video on the release date or close to release date, um, Mark Benningo is a co-director of Energy Trade Intel's FC Stone, pointed out the stockpiles accumulated last winter when they anticipated cold temperatures that never happened. So the prediction last year was wrong. So very interesting article overall. As we close, we see more aggressive risk-tolerant traders exploiting the plummeting natural gas futures with leveraged exchange traded products. Dgaz, which is the inverse ETF, ETN of Ugaz. And yeah, we need to, Sid Perkins says we need to experience an ice age winter to keep prices from plunging. So ice age winter, I'm not sure what that necessarily refers to. We're likely going to come out of the winter with more storage than we had a year ago, with no significant demand coming online. So overall, there's high storage um, expected by the analysts. So if you guys, you know, uh, decide that their opinion's correct, then you would go for the Dgaz. If you think winter's coming and the storage, there's going to be more withdrawal, then definitely for Ugaz or any of the other natural gas commodity. We'll go here to the chart real quick. As we can see, UNG from August, we see a support around like 1850, currently at 19. So will it go back to pull back down to 1850 or $18 range, or 17s even, or will it bounce back up to the 20s, 23s? I guess that's something we'll see coming next week and into the winter months. But again, I think that does it for this video. I will definitely keep everyone posted on the newer videos that are going to be released in the near future. If you guys found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one.